Okay, so guys, couldn't do the video last week because I newly kind of installed some packages, and after updating my system, my mic stopped working, and it took me a while to figure out how to fix it. But so that's why I couldn't post last week. Yeah, but thank God today I'm gonna have a tutorial. So with that being said, let's just dive into it. So today I said we are going to design this. So I'll show step by step how I did everything from scratch. And here is the folder. You have it in the description. You have a link where you can download all these. These are all we'll be using. This is the QR code, this is the person. Sorry, don't mind the noise around. It's because I'm doing this from the house. So we have this. I'll show you how to use it. This is the stage light. You can see some light around the background, and this is the background actually. But because it's being blurred, that's why it's not really obvious. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is to drag. There's many ways to import your pictures or images. You can go there and place embedded, but I don't like that. It's a long journey to me, so I use drag and drop. I just drag it to Photoshop and drop. So you can see now it's in horizontal tab, or is in vertical, or what is it called? I want to flip it this way to rotate it so it's portrait. You get? So I'll do clockwise because I want this darker place to be at the bottom. So you hold your your Alt, and drag the edges so it fits. Alright, yes, now so you can. What you want to do is to blur, go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. To blur the background, I'll blur it very well. I think this is better. Then now what you want to do, kind of add a bottom, to add a fade at the down bottom. I use gradients in doing that, but there are a lot of ways you can do that. So I use gradients, give it black, then here also I want to give it black so we don't have too much color. Yeah, let's just it correct. You can reduce the opacity if you want. So double click because I want to dress it a little bit better. So what you want to do is to import your pictures, or before then, let's import our lights. So we have our folder here. You can drag and drop too, and drag and drop Photoshop files. Oh, this is not actually the light, so give me just 2 minutes and I'll look for it.
A few moments later.
So yes, I'm back. I'm gonna take this out, button the file. So this is it, stage lights. Let's place it above there and have our light. Good. So what you want to do is to close this background, open the lights, then what we want to do is to pick from this. So we could just pick everything. Just pick this. Just pick this to your working space. Place it there. So you scale it down. Transfer. Scale it down. Okay, I didn't tell you how to. You do Ctrl T if you want to move close. You do Ctrl T think I should be using the shortcut so we get familiar with it. Anything I do and you don't get, you can just let me know in the comment section and I'll break it down in the group. I'll post the link to the group where you can join if you are not already there. So that's where we do our oral tutorial. Sometimes we Zoom and doing live Zoom maybe once or twice in a month. We'll ask questions and all that, you know what I'm saying? So this is it. So what you want to do is that I did is to blur this so it's not competing with everything. So go to blur, Gaussian blur, and blur. Okay, let's go more. Okay, like this, you can see we are getting there. There's this write-up we don't need. Just close it or even delete it. Sorry, delete it. Good. Then the smoke, you can take it out. If you need it, you can bring a letter. Where's the smoke? Is this the smoke? Good. We have to smoke. Okay, just one. Good. You can see. So the light, I think we need to blur that too. So let's group this. Should we? Okay, let's check our reference. Okay. And a little we blur that a bit more, especially for this one. Let's convert it to smart object. Why I'm doing that is because now when you don't do that, after blurring, you can't undo, you can't reduce or increase your blurriness levels, or your blurriness levels. So that's why I'm doing it that way. So let's just blur it a bit. Okay, let's not blur it. Maybe we reduce the opacity. Yeah, let's go more. I think we need to blur this more. So now I'm going to undo this because I forgot to. I'm going to undo the whole process because of this. Sorry, what is that? Because of this. I'm going to undo it. Yes. Convert to smart object first. Blur. Convert to smart objects. Go to your blur. Gaussian blur. And let's blur now. Correct. So let's check our reference. I think okay, we need to really zoom. We need to really zoom this whole folder. So you can just click on it and let's increase it. Go to transform. Now Control T to transform. Control T is what I used to transform. I will show us the shortcut after now. So we zoom more. And let's bring it a little bit downward. I think we should zoom more. Zoom more. Yes, now let's go to transform. To transform, you go to edit, then you see free transform. You get that. So I want to check if I blurred the light. Okay, it seems okay. The only element I used actually was is just these two. So I think we'll take the rest out. We'll just close it. Yes, I think. Close it. Yes, I think so. We might have to blur this light, but let's write them first. Let's check our reference again. There's a blur in the light, so let's just go ahead first. Okay, so we want to, there's something we need to add. I think I added that. Let's just go search for light there. Let's see, or sun ray, something like that. Sun light ray. Go on image, get them, and I hope I get the particular one I used. If not, we'll just pick anyone. Okay, so we are going to use, thinking of using, there's one I saw already that I think should be better. What I want to actually, let's use this. So what you just do basically, let's control right click and copy. No need for right click and copy, so no need for long journey. So you paste Ctrl V and increase. So you can see that in our reference we have that light, this thing. So this we want to convert to smart objects and blur. So we'll have control over our blur level. So we're going to blur this, and again after that convert to screen mode. Yeah, you can see, yeah, this is just it. So what you want to do now is to write your end of year. So we have end of year, no, end of so we have end of. So now the font I use, we will have to, I'll tell us the name of the font, but we will have to get it ourselves. I didn't attach that, but if you need the font particular, you can give me, you can comment down below and I'll send it to you. So the font we use, I can't really remember the name right now, but I have them here. You can just download the fonts. If you want to know how to get fonts, where the site to get a good premium font, you can also comment and let me know. You can just comment, I need font, and I will let us know how to. I'll send us the link where we can get those fonts that I used. So this is the font. The name of the font is Evil Empire. Evil Empire. So we give this what color? Let's check our reference. It's a brown color, then fade with red. So let's give it a brown color. Yeah, I think this is okay. Then yes, then I'll zoom. If you want to zoom, Control and your plus, Y Control and your minus to reduce the zoom. So we want to increase this, Control T like I said earlier for transform. Then we'll have this duplicated. You can do Control J to duplicate. You write your year. Now our year will be bigger. Control T again, transform. So whenever you see that now transform, you press enter to take away the transform. And we have this here, we have this there. So have a yellow outline, kind of. We have a yellow outline. So we'll go to stroke. Go to stroke, or you can just go to stroke. So you want to give it yellow. Give it yellow. Close, then reduce it. Let's give it 7. Yes, 7. Or you could make it 5, but I'll leave it 7. Then this is the same. You can just hold Alt, click on the effect there. Hold Alt, click on the effect and drag to the up. Hold Alt, click and drag. So you can see we have that. Now for us to give it a I might not complete this video because I don't want it too long, so I might post, I'm not sure yet, I might post this part, then I might post the first part, then we have another part later. So what you want to do here, you create an empty layer. Here is to create a new layer, empty layer. So give here the color red. Sorry, the system is slow because the battery is low and I have things open. And give red. The red might not really be that dark, but let's go. So I want to close some stop my system. Probably pull up my hotspot. So that's that. So what you want to do is to get your brush, and this is where you increase your brush size. I'll just leave mine as I think. So you use the square bracket to increase and reduce. You can see what's happening here. Square bracket, up and back, close and open. You get it. I'll give it 900. I don't know how intense it will be. So let's reduce it 500, I think. Yeah, so that's that. You create a clipping mask by right clicking on the layer, clipping mask. You have clipped it, you get. So, but this red seems to be too much. You can drag it up a little bit. Then you can duplicate this by Ctrl J. Then take it up to the other one and create a clipping mask by right clicking and creating a clipping mask. There are other shortcuts too to create a clipping mask. Ctrl T and bring it down where it's visible on this. Then what you want to do is these two, you can group them or convert to smart object. Ctrl G for group. Ctrl G for group. Then we want to add a stroke again because we have a white stroke around the edge. So I'm gonna add a stroke. So just leave with the same this thing and give it a white stroke. Good. Here we go. And for these two, we want to group the two of them. Ctrl G. Then you add stroke. So basically that's how I did that. So it's loading, sorry. So you want to leave it at that same number. Get. So now we can, okay, we want to bring this where it says great mind present. You draw this now, you increase. Already told us how to increase. this is supposed to be on white color, but round edges. Yeah, give it white color. Yes. So now you can replicate this design for any of your clients. So you centralize that by clicking on it. If you want to do central, clicking on it, hold Control and click on the background. Then go to your alignment, click this one. It's aligned now to the middle. You can do that for the text too, but I think the text is already aligned. Or you can do that to be sure. So what you want to do is to write great mind. Use Montserrat fonts or any other font of your choice. So I want to write great mind. Great minds present. Great mind entertainment. Entertainment presents. So I want to use Montserrat for my font. Montserrat. If you don't have Montserrat, you've not started. Montserrat is the most basic, I think, the most basic font in design. Not just Photoshop. Okay. So I'll give it a black color, but this is a tutorial, so I'll just leave it that way. I'll give it one color. I think this color is even nice. So that's that. Now what you want to do is add your party. Your party, just the way I did this. Just bring your text. Bring your text. Right. In capital ARTY. And use the font. Again, if you need the font, comment. I'll tell you. I'll send it to you. Or either send you the link to download. No, either send you the name of the font or send you the font itself. So you can download and install. So, but if you want to look for this kind of font on your own, the font is called, just type for scripted fonts. Scripted fonts, they'll bring several kinds of fonts like this. What color? Okay, we have it on white, then we have red line. So we have it on white, then we have red stroke. Stroke. So this is a tutorial again. You might want to really bring out more details, but just leave it that way. Now, and discover what you need more space down for us to add. Now, there's something I did in this text. I see like the text is open at the down, like it's spread, like kind of. To do that, but you need to convert this to a smart object so effect will be effective on it. So after doing that, you Ctrl T for transform. Go to this side, then you wanna click. Did I even use any of this? Did I? Okay. So you want to manually drag it. Drag it. Or there are other ways. Sorry, I don't think I haven't used this. This is a long method. This is a long method. So when you want to do Ctrl T, like I told you for transform, hold Ctrl, open, hold Ctrl, and open. So let us leave it that way. You can follow it to get more details, but like I said earlier, this is a tutorial. So you can make it more accurate. I want to reduce the size. So that's that with that, and we might have to pause here. And next tutorial will be to bring our picture. Let's see this on desktop. Tutorial. So what you want to do, what we'll do next time is to bring out our picture, write the names. Let's see. So these are all we'll achieve. This, the QR code. I'll show you how to generate a QR code for free that lasts forever. So these are what we'll do, and how to use the screen. This black screen, I showed you this black screen, how to use it. So till then, I want you to keep practicing.